Welcome to another episode of Tech Wednesday. So on today's episode, we'll be doing part 2 on how to speed up your PC. So if you can remember from part 1, I showed you how to clear your temp file, but then today we're going to take it a step further. So today what you're going to do, you're going to click on the Windows key, which is this one, and R, and then it will open up this menu. And then as opposed to typing main temp on this pop-up, you're going to type temp, but then will be followed by the percentage sign, and you will start off by a percentage sign, and then you're gonna click enter. So now these are all the temp files again that have been stored by all these apps that you are using. So today we're gonna clear these files. You don't need anything that is in here, so you're gonna have to do Control A, which is gonna highlight everything, and then Control D, which is gonna delete everything. Then say Control D. So as you can see, it's loading, and then as you can see now it's busy calculating as to how much space you're gonna save by deleting this. And in my case, let's wait for it to count. It's about 350, still going up. Let's just wait and see. So basically it's just gonna keep discovering more files that it's gonna delete, and then also the space is going to increase. And then after that, it's just gonna start deleting. It will want you to confirm if you really want to delete these files, and then if you confirm, and we'll go ahead. I'll show you what I mean. So far it is sitting at 3.89 GB, so it will clear about 3.89 GB, but it's still counting. As you can see, it's gonna delete about 19,000 files, counting. Now after it's done discovering, it will come to this screen where it asks you to confirm. So all you gotta do is just tick here, and then you continue, and then now it starts counting. Then it will delete every file that is in the temp folder, and it will clear about 3.60 something gig. Hope you guys found this useful. See you on the next episode.